In this video, we will learn about combination reactions. So, a chemical reaction in which two or more substances join together and form a product is called as a combination reaction. Two or more substances, they react to form a new substance. Okay, combination reactions are often known as synthesis. For example, synthesis of A and B to form AB. In a generalized form, combination reaction is represented as this. Okay, but it can also be like this: A plus B plus C gives anything, D. Okay, so what is the example of combination reaction? This one, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Example of combination reaction. And there are hundreds of other examples as well. Now, let's perform an activity to understand it better. To demonstrate a combination reaction, what can we do? Take small amount of calcium oxide, which is also called as lime, CaO, in a beaker. Slowly add some water to this calcium oxide and then just touch the beaker. What will we observe? There's a vigorous reaction and the beaker feels warm when we touch it. Okay, so why this feels warm? That means a reaction has happened. So that means calcium oxide has reacted with the water to form the warm product. Okay, conclusion: as heat is evolved on mixing calcium oxide with water, a chemical reaction has taken place. As you can see, this is the chemical reaction. Calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide plus heat, also releases heat. That's why we feel the warm. As you can see, this is calcium oxide. We mix it with water and we get a product. And product, when it is present in the beaker, it is warm. Okay, as we see that a single product is formed, that is, calcium hydroxide is formed by the combination of two substances, calcium oxide and water. This reaction is a combination reaction. Why? Because two substances are combining to form a single product. As heat is evolved during the reaction, the beaker becomes warm. That means heat is also released during the reaction. Some other examples of the combination reactions are as follows. Now, other examples are combination of coal. What will happen in the combination of coal? Coal, that means carbon and oxygen, will combine to form carbon dioxide. Formation of hydrogen chloride. What will happen in the formation of hydrogen chloride in this formation? Hydrogen and chlorine will combine to form twice HCl, hydrogen chloride. When a mixture of hydrogen and chlorine is exposed to sunlight, in presence of sunlight, this reaction happens. It results in the formation of hydrogen chloride gas. Synthesis of ammonia. When a molecule of nitrogen gas combines with three molecules of hydrogen gas, one molecule of nitrogen and three molecules of hydrogen will combine to form twice NH3. Why twice? Because the reaction has to be balanced. Okay. Going ahead, other examples are formation of sulfur dioxide. This one is simple, just sulfur. It exists in the molecular form as S8 plus O2 from the air. We will get SO2. For balancing, multiply by 8. Formation of iron sulfide. Iron, Y8, just for balancing. Iron plus sulfur simply gives iron sulfide. Okay, so this is also an example of combination reaction. Formation of nitrogen dioxide. How nitrogen dioxide is prepared? We need nitrogen monoxide plus O2. Further burn it in O2, we will get nitrogen dioxide. When nitric oxide, which is colorless, and oxygen colorless combine, they form reddish brown colored nitrogen dioxide gas. Combination of hydrogen and oxygen. As you can see here in the image as well, hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen will combine with one atom of oxygen to form H2O. Okay, for balancing, this 2 and this 2 is multiplied here, so H2 plus O2 gives H2O. I hope these examples are clear, so I hope it's all clear to you.